Yeah, Hey, shout out DJ Khaled, shout out Big Jam for this one, man.
Back again, bitch.
You know it.
It's hot, it's scorching, catching plays early morning. I'm sliding and scoring, can't duck the switch, he blowing. Niggas be dancing, they capping, they born. I can't chase down, I'm scoring. Out of the beam, you know this bitch foreign. Tap the gas, one time, this bitch wrong. I'm ready, we moving. I'm up and trapping, I'm moving and grooving, don't test me.
Yo, squad, YouTube family, how you doing, man? It's your boy, RTG, the 3 letters, RTG, man. And you are the RTG family, no cap. Tuned in with another video. As you can see, we taking us a little nature walk through nature, man. Getting us some good sunlight, man. And enjoying the vibes, man. So I thought, why not do a, you know what I'm saying? Smoking the spliff in nature type vibe, you know what I'm saying? Come with the vibes type thing, come with the vibes type thing. Good drip, no cap. You already know how I come in on the drip, man. Never lacking on the drip. Train in the background, but that's what it is, man. It is what it is. I can't do no much about that. But, you know me, man. I ain't going nowhere without the Spliffington. So we got us a nice little Spliffington, man. Nice little something to roll up with. So we gonna get that spark. We're gonna come back, tell y'all what the vibes is, man. And give y'all this little nature walk. So we back. Got the Spliffington Road. It's so peaceful, man. Like, all you see is quietness and nature. You can't do nothing but like thinking and good thoughts, you know? I mess with it, man. I'm gonna give y'all about, like, I'm really out here in the nature right now. Like, I really could be up here and up there. I ain't doing all that. I'm capping. But I really could do. And then the vibe, man. Look at the water, man. Look at the water flow, man. Come here, man. Think. Take your little nature walk and get your mind right, man. Oh yeah, bro, yeah. But I never been like down on this side. Like, I never really came down for real. I was going to the store and I was breezing by. And I saw this place and I'm like, hey, this a little vibe. I ain't gonna cap though. It's a little vibe. Nice little nature walk. You hear the birds chirp. I can just imagine early morning. You hear the birds chirping. Come out here, it's nice and sunny. River flow. Nothing but nature, man. Surrounded by nature. I mean, it's more nature I can go see, but I'm posted right here for right now. So I can get this split for y'all, man. But I know how we coming, man. I'm coming to give y'all content no matter how I could. Like I said, this was a beautiful, like, scenery to me. So I'm like, I got to get this on camera for the vlog type thing. You know what I'm saying? Like, just walking and like, just like walking on the trail. And like, soaking up the vibe, soaking up the nature, soaking up the water, soaking up that. You know what I'm saying? While smoking a spliff, so it's like a little piece. It's a little piece right there. It's a little vibe, man. Oh yeah. I ain't gonna lie. Sometimes it's good to just get away, take a break. Just like to breathe and like think and slow down, you know what I'm saying? Get away from all the problems and the distractions and all that. So that's more why I took one of these nature walks right here. So I can get in the mode of like, you know what I'm saying? Taking the stress out. Breathe. There's more going on around, you know what I'm saying? Type out. But I'm gonna be more adventurous more often, like wait till it start again. It's spring right now. But wait till it start getting hotter and the weather start feeling good and I really can get outside. Because I ain't gonna lie, some mornings I be getting up and it be cold, bro. I don't wanna I ain't gonna say I don't wanna do nothing because I do wanna be productive, but it be too cold to go outside, bro. I ain't gonna cap. Like to do stuff like this, it'd be too cold for it. You'll be hearing all wind and all type of stuff. Right now it's cool, like it's a cooler vibe, you know what I'm saying? Just watching the flow of the water. Just vibing right here. No, yep. But if you made it this far, man, give me a like, comment, subscribe, and join the RTG gang. The 3 letters, man, RTG, be a part of the family. I'm trying to get to 1K. Man, that's the Zot. Hold on, y'all. But as I was trying to say, oh shit, I need to get something to drink. As I was trying to say, I'm trying to get to 1K subscribers. When I get to 1K subscribers, man, we doing a Cash App giveaway. You know what I'm saying? For the first comment. So you be the first comment on any video I drop once I hit reach 1K subscribers. Then you can win a Cash App. You know, $50 on Cash App type shit. But you gotta be subscribed though, so subscribe, man. We at 34, 36, something like that. But we started at 0, man. So as long as we going up and stuff never going down, I look at the bright side, you know. So for all my supporters, I thank y'all. For everybody that commented, for everybody that ever like subscribe or watch the video, I appreciate it. So YouTube family, we at the end of the spliff, man. So like I said, this was the nature walk, man. To catch a vibe, walk around on the platform, and you know, like see the water, watch it flow, and like catching the vibe. It was number a little simple, yeah. 1 2 1 2 1 2. Oh yeah. But hey, like I say, like, comment, subscribe, man. Notice how I did been slacking. I'm trying to get on my grind. Can't let life get in the way, man. I got too much to go going on.
You always fucking up shit, Zay.
Yeah. Shout out DJ Karen, shout out Big Jam for this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Back in, bitch.
You know it.
It's hot, it's scorching, catching plays early morning. I'm sliding and scoring. Can't duck, switchy, blowing. Niggas be dissing, they capping, they born. I catch chase down, I'm scoring. Out of the bin, you know this bitch foreign. Tap the gas, one time, this bitch wrong. I'm ready, we moving. I'm up and trapping, I'm moving and grooving, don't test me. I'm shooting. You moving too iffy, I'm cleaning the room, the honey, or shroom. Beat up the push, just watch how I do it. Drink all the glees, and I'm mad, I'm shooting. Tap on the switch, just watch how I boom. Glock 19, this bitch a hottie. This one here, my favorite Glock. Box him in and crop him out, that's what you call a box him out. Moving packs, don't need no drop, give him a swift and watch he drop. Sold him 2 painkillers, thought he had a perky, but got swapped. Tap the switchy, that bitch automatic, put it on the Glock. Digging deeper, pull out slowly, this little bitch pussy is fire. Give me 3 little beats, I'ma pull the window when you shop. ARP the 556 with the shell catcher, this bitch high. Tap the gas and watch it raw, this a new booty Jaguar. Fast and furious with the cars moving in luxury like a star. Papa Yerkin, I know, boy, beat up the pussy, leave a scar. I know y'all heard about that boy, Mr. Bounce off field with art. T-Max, my we beat them boys. Long little birdie, that's my boy. Long little Trey, you know I'm scoring.